good time with cars and with America. Enjoy. What can you say?
Out here in the Jersey rain, net a few farms. I think she gets up and goes. Very nice, very nice. Is that an RX-7? Here's an RX-7. Rich is into these cars. I don't know anything about them, but is it rare? It's rare. There you go. I didn't catch this smokestack on here. Check this out. Is that cool? Isn't that cool? Nice ride. That's pretty cool. Rich is like, you're taking video of us in a bar? I'm like, yeah, that's what I'm doing. And I'm gonna kick his butt. You ready? He thinks we're tied. We'll see. Sorry about the thumb. I'm learning this whole Osmo thing. And that's how you get it done. This is a video test of the Osmo inside a car. Terrible lighting, dark. Rich is wearing a dark shirt. We're in the middle of the night. Got highlights, lights everywhere, and we're just we're checking this thing. He's showing off his power to his Volkswagen. You can't hear it.
Don't say that.
What do you mean? Why? What? They're always gonna the police are going to pull you over?
Possibly.
Yeah, trust me, there's a delay on the video. It's going to take some time. Anyway, it was great. It was fun. We had a good time. Played pool, drank beer, looked at some lovely ladies, and talked to a guy in a kilt.
Raphael.
You're right, Raphael. What was his nickname though? He had a nickname. Raph. We talked to Raph. He's leaving the place though. Ooh, I hope he gave notice. Yeah. Oh, we get the music on too. Very casual. Anyways, good time. Thanks guys for watching. And,
well, you said you were shooting outside the car, so I just figured.
Well, that's outside. That's outside. Would have been a bummer if I dropped it.
That would have.
Ah! All right, bye guys. Too much talking. This is just a test of the Osmo. It's pretty cool. It's looking at me like it's a little person. Hi, Hi Osmo.
Gotta give it a nickname.
Yeah, we can do. Osmo's kind of cute. Why do they call it the Osmo anyway?
It is, but that's its company-given name.
What should we call it? It should be a female.
It could be, because it's always watching you.
I like that. Samantha.
Or I guess you're always making it watch you. I don't know how you.
No, if I call it Samantha, the guy's gonna have an issue because 98% of the audience is guys. So me calling them Samantha because I'm talking to that would be weird.
That would be weird.
Yeah, so let's not call it any name. It's an Osmo. Keep doing a good job, Osmo. I don't even know if I'm gonna use this video, but if I did, I'm impressed with the video. Hopefully you are.
Where you could use it just as a funny outtakes reel.
Yeah, I haven't done outtakes in a long time. It's too much about me. I'm trying to take the videos off of me as I talk too much right now on the camera.
You do talk a lot.
I do.